Hi there, and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't joined our Elite Club yet, you can scan our QR code to become a member here by scanning it on your camera app and entering some basic information about your vehicle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you get more videos just like this one. In today's video, we will see and test why our Lasfit Floorliner TPE material has better traction capability than other brands' floor liner material, and why you should switch today. Let's get to it. Here we have our all-weather custom fit floor liner. Our material is made of a new material called thermoplastic elastomer, which is also known as TPE, which is free of allergen, BPA, latex, dioxins, and other harmful products that can badly affect your health. Not only that, our new production technology reduces carbon emissions by 15%. It does not generate waste, which means it can be 100% regenerated and is completely environmentally friendly, and over time does not cause a smell which can be toxic to not only the passengers, but the earth as well. In conclusion, our Floorliner material is better equipped in the traction capability in both dry and wet settings because of our new innovation in the TPE material and superior traction patterns. In later videos, we will go more in depth on what our material is made out of and further test and showcase our advantages against our competitors. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be the first to be notified of when our video drops. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media. From Lasfit, goodbye.